If you are a full grown man and you struggle to perform very well with your wife in bed, anytime you get close to your wife, your performance is nothing to write home about. Premature ejaculation and all that. Sometimes the moment you even touch her, whole things have come down. This video is for you. I am going to introduce you to one of the most powerful herbal plants you can use to salvage your image, to bring back the glory, to bring back your performance with your wife in the other room. And it is no other than this powerful plant you can see on your screen. We are in Africa, so anything we do, we have to, show it to you vividly. This plant you see, it is called guava leaves or guava plant. And for the avoidance of doubt, I would like you to take, close look at it very, very well, so that anywhere you see it, you can easily identify it as it is. This plant has proven to be one of the most powerful herbal plants that is helping men to salvage their what? Their images, to salvage their prowess, to salvage their power from in the bedroom. All you have to, and again, it is also very good in the treatment of low sperm count. So if you have been married to your wife for more than 1 year, okay, for more than 1 year, please, this plant is also capable of helping you. But before I tell you how to prepare it, how to use it, let me be very, very quick to take you through some of the reasons, some of the factors that can make you a weak man, that can make you suffer from premature ejaculation. And again, I'll take you through some of the factors that can make you suffer from low sperm count, because it is quite disgusting and unfortunate when you get married to your wife, your family and that of your wives are all expecting you to what? To take a seed or to impregnate your wife. And if after 1 year you are not able to impregnate her, you always walk around hiding yourself, because people will now perceive you as someone who is not a man. At that juncture, it is not only your wife who will see you a loser, but people around you too will see you a very great loser. So you have to be very, very careful and watch this video all the way to the end. Now, the first factor that can make you very, very weak as a man is diabetes, and that is where this plant even comes in. If you are suffering from diabetes, this plant is capable of treating it or solving it or bringing it down. So you see why it is important you go look for this plant to salvage your image as a man. So diabetes is one of the factors that can make you weak as a man. Two, high blood pressure. If you are suffering from any form of heart related condition, you are likely not to perform well, because it is the heart that pumps in blood throughout your system, so that your bula too can have its own share of the blood. So in an event where the bula is not receiving enough blood, it is not going to even erect very well for you to even perform, in the other room. Then factor number three, infection. Yes, infection. We have several infection: viral infection, bacterial infection, microbial infection, fungal infection, and so on and so forth. Any infection you are battling with, being it gonorrhea, being it syphilis, chlamydia, candidiasis, staphylococcus, H and the I and the V, hepatitis, name it, HPV, human papilloma virus, HSV, herpes simplex virus, and so on and so forth. Please come and look for this, because that thing can make you a loser. That thing can make you very, very weak in the other room. Factor number five. Okay, factor number four, high cholesterol. If you are suffering from high cholesterol, you are likely to suffer from premature ejaculation as a man. And that is where this one also comes in. Factor number five, prostate enlargement. Men who have issues with their prostate, you realize that anytime a man's prostate is, taken out or is taken away, that man becomes super weak in the other room. That man can no longer perform very well, because of the prostate, because the prostate also plays a major role, an integral role as far as the man's performance is concerned. So prostate enlargement is also one of the factors you can not disregard or you cannot overlook. And then the seat one, that one, it has to do with psychological, it has to do with your mind, that is anxiety. So the anxiety, and then we also have stress or depression. Anytime a man is super anxious, let me give you a typical example of anxiety. An anxiety is a situation whereby you have been wanting something, and at the end of the day you have gotten the opportunity to have access to that thing, and when you are not careful, you handling that thing can become a disastrous because you are too anxious to handle it. So that is what we call anxiety. So anxiety can make you weak as a man. And then stress, when you are having stress at workplace, you are having stress at home, you are having stress issues with your wife, issues with your family, issues at the workplace, and so on and so forth, that thing can also make you a weak person, can make you suffer from premature ejaculation as a man. So these factors are the factors that come together to form, to make a man or to render a man super weak. And I always say to people that any man who is complaining of premature ejaculation is suffering from one or two of the following conditions I have just mentioned. Now, the good part or the good news is that, with the exception of the anxiety and then the depression, the rest of the cause, this plant is capable of tackling all of them. So you see how important this plant is. You see how important guava leaves is. This plant is capable of handling all of them. So when you are opting for this plant, trust me, you are not opting for something which is not good. You are opting for a very, very good thing. Now, let's go to the factors that can make a man to suffer from low sperm count, or that can make a man not to be able to impregnate his wife. One of them is diabetes. If you are suffering from diabetes, that diabetes can make your sperm to lose all its nutrients. It can make your sperm to lose several spermatozoas, your semen to lose several spermatozoas, and so on. So diabetes is one of them. That is why it is good to go for this. And another factor that can make you to suffer from low sperm count is infection. When you are infected with either syphilis, with either gonorrhea, or any of the STIs, you are likely to suffer from low sperm count as a man. I hope you understand. So these are the major factors. And then there are other factors like lifestyle. As a man, you'll be wearing more than two, pants. So you generate heat in and around your testicles. When you do that, you are likely going to suffer from low sperm count as a man. So let us take note of that. Now, let's come back to the leaf and let me show you how to prepare it. The simplest way to prepare it is to just pick few of it, as many as you can. Okay, you don't necessarily have to pick only the leaves. You can as well pick it together with some of the branch. Okay, so pick it this way. Okay, as many as you can. Take it home, wash it very nicely. If it is in its fresh form like this, allow it to be dried under a shade, under your room, your veranda, your corridor, for some days, maybe for 2 or 3 days. After that, you can then bring it out, wash it very well again, or you can then transfer it into your cooking pot, and then you pour onto it an amount of water. You can choose to add cloves, little cloves, or ginger. But if you don't get ginger or cloves, don't worry, only this one is sufficient. Then you pour onto it an amount of water, maybe a 2 handful of the leaves will go with, let's say, 1 liter or 1.5 liters of water. Then you boil it. Boil it for like 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, you are good to go. Bring it off fire, and then you start drinking it. Someone is going to ask, Doc, can we refrigerate it? Yes, you can just drain it, put it in your refrigerator. Okay, but you make sure you close it very tight. Then in the morning, you can just pour some, and then you start drinking it. Drink it 1 glass in the morning, one glass in the evening, morning and evening, morning and evening, and continue to be on it for 1 month, getting to 2 months, and I can assure you that everything is going to be okay. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't yet, subscribe to this channel, please, you are doing yourself, you are losing a lot. Kindly subscribe it if this is your first time, and then like this video. If you have any comment or any suggestion, leave it under the comment area and share to your friends and family and people around you. And if you haven't yet watched my previous video, I have done about how to use three, most important herbs to treat three most important, or to treat three most dangerous diseases. You can check this corner, you see the video over there, click on it immediately, then you continue to watch it. I'll see you in my next one. Have a nice day.